On this day, February 5th, history delivered moments of progress, resistance, and cultural change that still echo today. In 62 AD, a powerful earthquake struck Pompeii, badly damaging the city years before Mount Vesuvius would later bury it. Many residents rebuilt, unaware a far greater disaster was still coming. In 1631, the Mughal Empire completed the construction of the Taj Mahal. Built as a monument to love and loss, it remains one of the most recognized structures on Earth. In 1783, Spain officially recognized the independence of the United States, strengthening international acceptance of the new nation and helping secure its place on the world stage. In 1852, the Hermitage Museum in Russia was opened to the public for the first time. What had been a private royal collection became one of the world's greatest museums. In 1917, Mexico adopted a new constitution, introducing reforms that reshaped land ownership, labor rights, and education, influencing the country for generations. In 1937, President Franklin D. Roosevelt proposed changes to the U.S. Supreme Court. The controversial plan sparked national debate about balance of power and government limits. In 1953, Walt Disney released Peter Pan, adding another timeless story to the studio's growing legacy and shaping childhood entertainment for decades. In 1971, the Apollo 14 mission landed on the moon, continuing humanity's exploration beyond Earth and expanding scientific knowledge of the lunar surface. February 5th reminds us that history often moves through rebuilding, ideas, art, and exploration, not just dramatic turning points. If you enjoyed this trip down the rabbit hole, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart History for Dumb Times.